your experience been so far at SIBM Nagpur?
By far one of the best campus visits I've done. Why? Because A, you are amazing. This whole team is amazing. Everybody who's behind the camera, they have been working with us tirelessly. That's one. Second, I feel the faculty is so good because they were so accommodating for all of our thoughts that we had for the panel discussion. And third, the panel discussion was so well organized. I think I was very doubtful ki all the panelists are from different backgrounds, but you guys nailed it. I understand where the masala came from.
That was the whole point.
Yeah.
But moving forward, so you've built a really big agency in the personal branding space. So there are a lot of people who are starting very young out there. What is the one advice you would like to give for people who would want to start young?
As an agency owner or for their personal brands?
Could be both.
Okay. So for agency, this is what I was telling you yesterday also. You get the beginner's luck, right? So be okay to work with anybody who is doing a decent business. Just be delusional, pitch people. You never know who replies. One of my friends, I think, she was just sitting in a very small town, a tier 3, tier 2 city, and she had messaged Raj Shamani and she had gotten an internship. And since then, she started her own agency and she's nailing it. The agency is worth 4-5 crores, and I think that one chance, that one DM can change the game for you. And when it comes to personal branding, every person around you would want to do it, would be very generic. You have to tell people what you're really good at. So instead of your headline being I'm a good content writer or I'm a content writer, it should be I'm the best one you can see in the market, says my mom. Something very quirky, very nice, so that people know what you do.
That's I think people should really apply that, and they would, since they've been with you and they've seen you, they've talked to you, they've loved you. Moving forward to my next question, you've seen the inside out of MBA right now. So, do you think that the culture that SIBM Nagpur has, that is the student-driven culture, and it's not just for the sake of saying, it's actually there. So, how do you think that experience holistically enhances a personal personality?
So I'll be very honest, and not just for this interview, I was very anti MBA person, and since I've landed in the campus, I saw what other things people are doing. I remember the stalls that were there,
Yeah.
right? And everybody, I asked people, have you made profits? What was the material cost? And they had made ad films, etc. I wish I had that kind of exposure. And you creating this entire event, this was the first time this was happening, and all of you guys were doing it. It's great. I think this exposure we got in the first year of our business. So that's great. I understand where MBA comes from. If this is what you guys do, it's amazing.
I mean, that's lovely coming from you. Just to end it here, do you think marketing as a career, since it's changing so much, AI is coming up, people are scared that AI would take your jobs and everything. Do you think marketing as a career still has a very long way to go, or is it on a saturation point? Or if you want to advise students who are working in marketing, because our campus is kind of a marketing campus, you see the batch trend, you see marketing companies coming up here, amazing opportunities, live projects. You all were here, that's why we had the media fest. So how do you think students should take it and move ahead in their career when marketing is in question?
Got it. So I think this is what Divya also said yesterday. The founder of Binge Labs, he said the organic marketing industry has been blowing up in India since last 4 to 5 years. We started post pandemic, honestly. So it's very important for you to understand it's at very nascent stages. It's just a 5-year-old baby, and you have like 60, 70 years to go until it becomes saturated. That's one. Second, AI is not taking your job, it's just making you more efficient. We have done that. So we used to make reports at the end of every month for our clients. The reports used to take 4 of my people 4 days to make these reports, and now those 4 people invest 1 day, 4 hours each to make those reports, and none of them have been fired. They are just doing more work, right? So the efficiency goes really hand in hand if you start using AI, and you will become irreplaceable. And the third thing is marketing. Mainstream marketing is dead, right? People don't want to read something like this is the best burger ever. They want you to be thoda quirky, they want you to be thoda experimentative, and I think that's what people are liking. I'll give you an example. So in Bangalore, there's this place called Alien Kind. It's a red color showroom, where a red color restaurant where you will get burgers, and these are closed burgers. it's a corner shop. It's completely red. You cannot find any other element or any other color, and the kind of marketing that they're doing is crazy. And I think that's burgers still existed. Closed burgers also existed, but that kind of marketing where everything is red and you will just get stuck to that corner shop is where innovation is coming. So if you want to market something, just be unique.
That's the thing that almost everybody talks about, and I think all of us as students should implement it. But having said that, it was great having you on campus. Everybody loved seeing you. Media Fest was amazing because of you guys, all the founders, all the panelists, all the influencers that came, and I hope we keep doing such things ahead. So, Darpan 2025 signing off.
Thank you.